Alright, so welcome back to another video. Today is going to be making the Clio great again, I think is what I'm going to title it. Basically restoring all the plastic trim on the outside of the car, so on the doors, on the bumper, on the two bumpers. Over time it goes quite grey. If you have any car really, I'm sure you know that. So what I've got is the Maguire's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. I wanted that C4 thing. I think someone knows what I'm talking about, like G Technic C4, I think. But it's just like double the price of this. This says it makes trim and plastic look like new, which is obviously the plan. It says extended durability, lasts for weeks. Now, I don't really want to be putting this on every couple of weeks. I'm hoping it lasts more than a couple of weeks. But yeah, I'll show you the car and I'll show you the before and after. Hope you enjoy. Cheers. So this is how it is now. Sorry about the wind noise. I'll say that now. So as you can see, it's a black car, so it's easier to see, and all the trim's quite grey, almost blue in some lights. It's a lot easier to see on the back. So hopefully it will make the car look nicer. There's also the handles as well, and these aren't as bad, but I'm going to do these as well. And on the front, obviously, that front strip. So yeah, let's get on with it. So obviously I think you're supposed to like put some onto like a pad or something. That smells like it could kill you if you keep on breathing it. I think you're supposed to put it on a pad and just rub it on the car, but I'm just going to put it on some like blue roll or some tissue or something. I'm sure it'll do the same thing, but I'm sure someone's going to say that in the comments, so I think I'll say that now. So if we go over to the car, I'll probably do halfway. I'll do halfway somewhere so I can compare it. Yeah, I'll do halfway on the back so it's just easier to see. So, woof. You know. Well, at least it's one there. So yeah, I'll come back to you in a bit. Leave it to dry for about half an hour, and then I'll show you again in the morning. Alright, so I've just done half of the bumper. I've done it completely wrong. Like I put on like loads in one place, none in the other place. But you can already see a difference. The camera's not really picking it up. But if I go here or something, you can kind of see. Again, messed it up, didn't even say it at the halfway point. But this side's really like grey, almost blue, disgusting. Then obviously this side's really shiny, quite glossy. If you compare it to the paintwork, you can tell. Obviously this is a 2005 car, so it's coming up to 15 years old now, so I wasn't expecting much, but to be honest, that's actually not bad at all. I'm really happy with that. In person, it almost looks painted. Like from here, for me, it looks painted. It's not too bad on camera, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So I'll just go around the car. I'll show you once I've done the doors. I'll try and compare it on the doors, see if that makes any difference. Then, yeah, I'll see you afterwards. Alright, so I've just finished putting on all of the trim restorer. I'm sure I've missed spots. There's spots like in here, well, where I can't reach to, but I'm sure in the morning that should be dry. And like here as well, so I don't need to hear about that. But overall, the car's looking really good. If you compare it to how it was originally, like compared to the black paint, I think on camera that's the best way you can compare it. Right there, look, it's direct. It's way more like black there. Much happier with it. Yeah, I'll check in again in the morning to see if it like actually has changed or if it's just a like temporary thing. So yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, so obviously it's the next day now. I've just woken up, just done Supreme, went quite well. Video will be coming out on that soon. But yeah, the trim seems to like it looks quite good in my opinion. It looks the exact same as it did last night, so that's good. Like hasn't faded or anything. What I've noticed though, it's almost like grease. Like, I'm sure that's how they all are, but it's almost like it feels like a grease. But I'm still happy with it. I'll fucking wasp. I'll show you it one more time, and then I'll probably wrap up the video. So yeah, it's a massive improvement from how it was. Obviously this bit's in the sun. You can still see, when that was in the sun, it was almost like blue. This is in the shade, almost looks painted. So I'm really happy with it, to be honest. The front looks really good as well. So yeah, overall really happy. So yeah, if you have enjoyed, like and subscribe, comment any suggestions or improvements for the future videos, and hopefully I'll see you then. Cheers.